wife? You a savage,
bro. Yo, the whole point is to just
fuck it, right?
You got clips in case. Let's go, made it home.
What's up, guys? We back again with an unboxing video and a surprise. But we gonna do the unboxing first. So I'm gonna tell you what we got. It's the Octanes. I know we already went in comparison with them, but I told you guys I was gonna get my pair, and guess what?
You didn't introduce us, bro. What are you doing?
What do you mean?
You didn't introduce us.
Oh, Hey guys, you should already know our names. It's your boy KingRio the Barber, aka
Freddy Clips. No, okay.
Yeah, that's his name, Freddy Clips. You heard him
Yeah,
say.
what's up, Freddy Clips?
You know what I mean? So we here, guys, back again with another video. What video is this? I don't know, like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I'm gonna go with 6.
I don't know. So I guess number 6. So episode number 6. We here live. I keep doing this. I don't know why, but we're here with the Octanes. I told you guys I was gonna get my pair instead of stealing it off our homeboy's table. I got my own pair finally. We did the comparisons. I told you guys that I had to get these. You know what I mean? My homeboy right here, he got the Super 2s. You know what I mean? So we kind of traded. He looked out for me. So let's do the unboxing, bro. Matter of fact, you do the honors, bro. You the gadget guy, bro.
Hey.
Inspect the gadget. Go ahead, man.
Let's see what we got in here.
Just don't turn them on, cause you're not supposed to turn them on. We gotta charge them for like an hour before we use them. Yeah. So you guys that don't know that, should say it on the box.
They say it on all the clippers, but no one does.
Yeah, but
we've had a barber here that learned his lesson.
Yeah, he did.
Let's just say that.
You a savage,
bro. Yo, the whole point is to just
get right.
Oh,
okay. Damn. Okay.
Oh, this thing just.
Yo.
Alright, you know what? Nah, let's do the accessory and utility pieces first.
Yeah, you know, we gotta save the best for last.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
So I think we all know what this piece is.
So
it is
charger.
The charging dock. But what's cool about the Octane one, what's cool about this is if you get a second battery, because we'll get to that, I'm getting a little ahead of myself, but this does have a second battery.
Okay.
Or it doesn't have a second battery. It
But
does have an interchangeable battery, I'm sorry.
You can get a second battery.
You can get a second battery.
Okay.
You can put it in here while you're using the Octanes or while you have the Octanes on here. So
you can charge both, basically. So you can charge right here.
Both, yeah. This is for just the battery.
Okay, okay, gotcha.
Yeah.
But you still can charge a battery, right?
Yeah.
That's
so
dope.
that's something I'll show you in a second. It comes with things all flippers come with oil.
You gotta use glue before you use the blade.
Hey, what is that? Is that the blade? Oh, that's clean.
Damn, so it comes with a black
blade. Hold up here.
000, baby.
Hold up here. You got 2?
What do you mean I got 2? What comes on the clipper?
A 1.
Oh shit.
So you got 2.
Yo, they over here surprised.
They don't get up. I don't think I got 1 blade on mine. On my Supras. That's not fair.
See, you should have got these.
And they're black too. That looks sick. That's sleek.
Once you go black, you can't go back. You girls know this already.
Man, will you stop?
I'm just playing.
Freaking get over yourself.
He's jealous. Anyway, so
that's dope.
Black on black, baby. That's my favorite color. Sorry guys, my car is black. You know what I mean? So you already know the vibes. You should know the vibes, bro. Black on black. Let's fly it. And it's got the carbon fiber, like we said before. Let me hold my clipper, man.
Hey man, you wanted me to unbox?
Yeah, to unbox, not hold my clipper. So bam, bam. We got the 1 on here, and then we got the 000, which is basically skin, right? Like skin.
No, it's basically
the one before skin. Like
no, it's not even. You know what it is? It's basically if you get a new clipper before you zero gap it.
So basically like the clipper close.
Clipper close, but not zero gap.
Okay, gotcha.
So
but it's
like,
not like a half. It's like
not a half. It's before half, yeah. And it's right above skin.
Got you.
Right above skin. Right above a trim.
Got you. You guys don't know what the hell that means, but
you will.
Yeah, right above the point. So these is dope, man. I'm not gonna lie. You should have bought the supers so we could. Well, they already know.
They already know. We've done a comparison.
Yeah. Yo,
Yeah,
guess what? I don't got no paper saying I can't turn these on, so
hey,
turn them on. New Jet City, baby. Shout out to Currency. Yeah. But these is fire. I'm happy I got these. You know, I will do a video on these and show you how these work. I'm going to call this gang again. The Oster 76ers is going in the trash. You heard? Unless somebody wants them, I'll give them away for free. You guys let me know.
Oh,
First person in the comment that wants them, you can have them. Alright? And then, let's clean up a little bit because I got a surprise for you guys. Alright, so
when you see the next scene, this will be clean. Alright, guys.
We're back.
All clear.
We're back. Alright, so I told you guys I have a surprise for you, man.
What we got?
You should. I don't think they're ready, bro.
You guys ready?
Are you ready?